There's a number of questions about how that the president's doing too much, but there's a decidedly deep strain of questions that he's not doing enough in one particular area, and that is on the question of gay rights, and including marriage, adoption, medical insurance, several questions about how you could have filed the DOMA brief that was recently filed with respect to the case in California. I don't know whether I'm directing this to the right person, but does anybody want to take that up? And I don't know whether, Spencer, it's come across your desk, or Ron, you want to discuss what the administration's action is. Don't ask, don't tell. I throw it up to you. Jump ball.
I did work on the matter.
Okay, come on. Somebody's got to be brave here.
Justice Department would say on the brief that it was an awful lot better than the brief that was written in the Bush administration. There is no question, personal statement, that there were some sites in there that should not have been in there. But there were some. I think they did make a concerted effort to be making arguments that. In this position of defending right now, they were trying to make arguments and essentially eliminate arguments actually that the Bush administration has made. I think the administration is trying hard. It's moving slowly. They did, announced yesterday. He issued a presidential memorandum extending benefits. The State Department's extending benefits to same-sex couples for travel benefits, some health benefits. It's a complicated area of laws. I think a lot of people know we're constrained by DOMA, and so what he's trying to do right now is do what he can do within the confines of DOMA and extend those benefits, and then said very clearly that he wants to be working with Congress to first support the Lieberman-Baldwin legislation, which would extend health care benefits to same-sex couples, and then also to repeal DOMA. Nobody thinks it's fast enough right now, but I know the president cares about this and is working on. He's made clear he wants to reverse "Don't Ask, Don't Tell." It is going in the right direction, if not quickly enough.
Ron?
What she said. No. Look, I understand why people are impatient with the pace of progress. I would say, in our defense, I think the progress has been mostly in the right direction, and it is a question of pace. Again, I understand when people are impatient. We have only been here 125 days, and in those 125 days have many irons in the fire. So I guess I'm in the, I kind of share Lisa's view, which is I understand the frustration folks that care about these issues feel, because I care about these issues, the president cares about these issues, the vice president cares about these issues, and I hope that, next year when we have this conference, and that question gets asked, it doesn't elicit the same kind of applause that it elicited this time, because I hope we have more progress, more things to show for, and I hope that the kind of applause it elicits a year from now is applause about the accomplishments we've made and the progress we've made in the ensuing year.
I hope you're right.